Hi guys, welcome to Richard Gabilio YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to always turn off my video when joining to meeting in Zoom. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to Zoom application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in Zoom, okay, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen, okay? Click the gear icon. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see the meeting, okay? Go to meeting. And okay guys, here in meeting settings, okay, you can see the always turn off my video. And okay guys, on the right side, okay, you can see the switch button. Okay guys, to enable this, you only have to do is turn on the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, okay, always turn off my video when joining a meeting. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.